I'm Woodie Lesesne, and welcome to In Focus TV Online. This is the month of March, and it's Women's History Month. This is the month where we celebrate women's achievements and their accomplishments throughout the course of history. Now, we all know that women are achieving every single day, and we're making history on a daily basis. Throughout the course of this month, we're going to be bringing you stories and profiles on women who have achieved and who are currently achieving. It's important to learn, and it's important to acknowledge. And hopefully, we'll teach you something that you didn't already know or introduce you to someone that you weren't aware of. So stay tuned and continue to tune in. Join us as we celebrate throughout the course of the month and throughout the course of the year. And remember, girls compete with each other, women empower each other. So let's get out there and empower one another, especially throughout the course of this month. Be sure to subscribe. We need your feedback, and we certainly appreciate your views. Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you next time.